Let's talk about the latest crypto news. Crypto continues to bleed. We've got a situation playing out where I think we've got the hangover, if you will, from last week. We're going to talk about that, what happened last week at a high level, and the impact it had on crypto, as well as I think we're getting impacted by the overall global financial markets. The stock market is down as well. So we're going to have an overall crypto discussion and look at everything and just have a dialogue. If you are new to me, my name is Austin. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe here on YouTube. And if you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. I would appreciate it. Okay, so as I mentioned, you can see crypto is down 3.37%. But the real number is the market capitalization just continues to kind of gradually bleed down, continues to step down. We've got Bitcoin now. This is brand new to me. Has just officially fallen below $80,000. You can see that was my honest kind of unexpected reaction, if you will. So the low is a 79,300. So we are officially below 80,000. So you're going to see that as far as a lead story all over the place today on X, as well as maybe even some of the mainstream financial news, if you will. Ethereum still hovering above 2,000, XRP down 3%. And you can see the only gainers are Athena and Mantle up 2% respectively. And the percentage move down out of the top 100 is Maker, Tau, Render, Aptos, 14, 10+% respectively. Okay, so as I mentioned at the top of the video, what we have playing out here. Well, last week we were expecting some pretty big news related to different variations of crypto reserves, the Bitcoin reserve, the strategic crypto reserve. We all know what played out there. It wasn't really at the end of the day what we were expecting. And the market just continues to do a slow bleed out. Okay, so I think that consumer retail confidence is at an all-time low. That is backed up by this number right here. Look, we are at an extreme fear right there. We're at a 17. So that is very telling, if you will, as far as a percentage of the retail crypto buying audience is simply extremely fearful. Cards on the table. I bought some XRP last week at like $2.40. Thought I was doing pretty good. No, it's at $2.11. So this is biting all of us, right? I know that's a long-term buy. I bought it because I'm planning on holding it and making money off of it in 6 months, a year plus from now. So I'm not worried about that. But I'm just saying, my point to you is that no one really is immune from this. Okay, and we continue to see the markets bleed out. And so to kind of look at that, taking a look at what's going on the stock market side of the house, let me show you this since I'm covering it. The Dow's down 381, NASDAQ down 513. There is a lot going on here. There's the continued presence of tariffs as it relates to their impact on our economy. Now those tariffs have been pushed a little bit. Continue to see how that plays out. We've got big tech obviously being impacted mostly because of the NASDAQ. All of that. Kind of overall health of the U.S. economy is really the fear. And that does bring us back to crypto. I think that the same thing can be said for crypto. It's the overall fear of the health of the U.S. economy. And ultimately, I know I would love to do a video and not have to talk about in one way or the other fear, uncertainty, doubt, inflation, the price of gas and groceries and the cost of living going up. All of those things are impacting the crypto market because ultimately people are, quite frankly, I think a lot of people are in any variation of survival mode. They are just literally going, hey, I just got to put food on the table and I've got to get through this week to see how it's all going to play out. So yeah, I mean, that's where we're at. It's a blend of a combination of different factors that we continue to see, impacting crypto as we continue to roll forward. Now, kind of looking forward, March historically is supposed to be an extremely great month for crypto. I don't really know if that's going to present itself as of right this second. Okay, but again, doesn't mean I'm going anywhere. It doesn't mean that the long-term viability of crypto, in my opinion, is even remotely in jeopardy. We are in a rough patch. I've been saying this. We're in this very volatile period where everything I've been talking to you about in this video is impacting it. All of that kind of stuff is at play. Okay, so I think we can continue to see some bleed out factor here, some continuation of this theme. Maybe minor blips up as far as percentage up, unless we get any type of a major piece of good news. And I think most of that we were expecting last week, and that just simply did not materialize with the different types of reserves and all of those things that we were kind of waiting on as far as the type and how we wanted the United States to go forward with those, with the strategic crypto reserves, the U.S. Bitcoin reserve, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so with that, before I let you go, if you want help, actually right now keeping your money and making more money and finding opportunities, take a look at my trading indicator. Links are in the description below if you want to check it out. It did give an early alert on XRP before it went up 37+%. You can see, so $1,000 bought here, sold here would have made you $370 in profit. But more importantly, you wouldn't have taken a 22% loss because you would have bought here, sold here, and then not taking that ride down. Now we had another buy alert, because the market trend turned. We had another 8% move up, and then again, right there, you see now we're down 21+%. So what the software can do is it runs on your iPhone, runs on Android, runs on any computer. It can help you know when to buy and when to sell and get you set up, and really know when to sell to protect those profits that and this is how you can be making kind of short-term profits while we're in this volatile market. Also, just to show you, you can use the software for stocks as well. This is Netflix. You see right here in the upper left-hand corner. So this is the Netflix chart, and you can see the software working very, very well for the Netflix scenario. So I can, again, big stocks don't move as much as crypto, but that's in under a year, 80% gain on Netflix as an example. Okay, so and you can use it for crypto, stocks, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Thanks for that. Links from the description below here on YouTube, as well as if you're on X, the link is below to check out the software. And to kind of wrap up and give you my 2 cents. Look, here's where we're at. We are in choppy waters. There's really no better way to say it, right? And I think we're going to be here for a while. Historically, again, first quarter of any given year, if you go back and look at history, it's usually been very, very, very good for crypto. Simply not the case, right? What we've got going on. We have too many factors at play here. Retail money has left the building. I've showed you guys that a chart. It's over on my X Twitter account. Retail money is left. They are out. They are scared. And so what's happening here is you have institutional money, really the only one that's playing here. And I still think, again, I'm going to continue to say this, you still have market manipulation going on by the big offshore exchanges and of other parties, if you will. So yeah, that's the narrative, and that's what we've got going on. So we just kind of got to, ride the tide, if you will, and get to better times. As always, I'll be back with more. I see you.